Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova 11 and let me share with you how to clear the credentials on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, let's tap on it, and here we have to find the security. Now let's scroll in order to find more settings. And here let's enter encryption and credentials. As you can see at the very bottom, we've got the option we're looking for basically. So let's simply tap on it and confirm it by tapping, of course. And as you can see, the credential storage has been erased successfully. So we just did it. And be aware that if you've got any kind of screen lock set, your device will probably ask you to enter it before you will be able to remove the credentials. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.